Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to update your address in the Axis Bank app. Now the Axis Bank app, you say you downloaded the app. How do you update your address in it? It's quite simple. First, you have to log into your Access mobile app on your smartphone, and then don't forget to use your MPIN or biometric authentication to log in. Once you are in, navigate to services. It also can be called services and support. Then it's usually found in the main menu or as a visible tab, so just tap on it. Next, you're going to see various options. Look for Insta Services and select it. Then under Insta Services, you have to find and tap on Update Contacts. You will now see options to update different contact details. You can choose either update communication address or update permanent address, depending on which address you need to change. Now you have to carefully enter your new address details, including the address line, city, PIN code, state, and country. Ensure all information is accurate. Then you have to read the terms and conditions and check the box to agree to them. You'll be prompted to upload a scanned copy or a clear photograph of any of the following documents as proof of your new address: Aadhaar card, passport, driving license, voter's ID card. You'll be asked to upload a recent utility bill that is not older than 2 months, rental agreement, property or municipal tax receipt, post office savings bank account statement or passbook, job card issued by NREGA and signed by an office of the state government. Now, for office address updates, you might need to attach a declaration on the company letterhead. Before submitting, carefully review all the entered details and the uploaded documents to ensure accuracy. Once you're sure, tap on Confirm or Submit button. Your address update request will now be processed by Axis Bank. You might receive an email or SMS confirmation regarding the updates. As simple as that. It's important for you to note that the documents you upload should be clear and legible, with your name and new address clearly visible. The name on the address proof should ideally match the name in your bank account. Don't forget that Access Bank will verify submitted documents. If there are any discrepancies, they might contact you for clarification or further information. It usually takes a few business days for the address to be updated in the bank's record. So you can check the updated address in your account details within the app or through internet banking after a few days. If you encounter any issues or prefer an offline method, you can simply visit your nearest Axis Bank branch with the original and a photocopy of your address proof to submit your request. You can also call them, their customer care, for guidance on the process.